Recording
Menstrual cramps. Cycle, excuse me. Right? Menses, days 28 through 5. Right? And then what happens next is we recruit a primary follicle, and it goes doom doom doom, secondary follicle, doom 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 doom, third tertiary follicle, right? On days A through 14. Primary, secondary, tertiary follicle or Graafian follicle. Primary, secondary, tertiary, or Graafian follicle. Building up the lining, days 5 through 13. Right? Right? Menses, what's the name of that phase?
I haven't looked at this yet. I don't know.
Follicular phase. Under the stage is influenced by what hormone? FSH. Okay. And this is the secretory phase, which is under the influence of
LH.
because we're making a corpus luteum. This is ovulation, day 14, 12:01 p.m. noon, right? Bing. Right? Egg comes out. Here's the egg coming out. Ovulation. Ooh, baby. Okay. So they usually gets fertilized the outer third. Travel. Implant. Days 13 through 15. Ovulation. Bleh. If it's ovulated and it gets fertilized, corpus luteum stays viable and makes hormones for the next 3 months. That maintains the viability of the uterus, and we have a baby. If it doesn't get the signal the eagle has landed, then it involutes and becomes the corpus albicans, which is what that is. So here it is, going being a Graafian follicle, and then corpus luteum, and then corpus albicans. And then here's day 21. And everything's decided it's not going to work, or it is going to work, and then we have menses again. So this would be the what phase?
Ovulation.
Secretory phase.
And that's influenced by what?
Menses, follicular phase, secretory phase. Menses, follicular phase, secretory phase. Menses, follicular phase. Look into my eyes, secretory. Okay. So this is FSH, this is LH.
Thank you.
And LH and FSH cause the ovary to make
Eggs?
no, because the eggs are already there.
Okay.
It makes what?
Fertilization?
No. What does the ovary make?
Estrogen.
The ovary makes estrogen and progesterone.
Right. What does the testicle make?
Testosterone.
Okay, under the influence of what two hormones?
LH and FSH?
Right. Except we don't call it LH, we call it ICSH. Because men don't like to have luteinizing hormone. So it's called interstitial cell stimulating hormone. We'll talk about that Wednesday. Okay? So when I asked that question today in class, and I said, where does testosterone come from, and why do we make testosterone? Everybody went,
I was thinking.
you were thinking? I'm sorry, my telepathy was out.
But the testosterone is the progesterone for women. Right?
No, women have testosterone.
It's progesterone, right?
No, women have testosterone too. And men have progesterone. It's just the relative amounts of those things.
Okay.